Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Bing Ads targeting, complete guide step by step clearly. To effectively fix Bing Ads targeting, start by logging into your Bing Ads account. Navigate to the campaign that needs adjustments. Select the Settings tab from the top menu. Scroll down to the Targeting section. Review your current targeting options, such as location and demographics. Determine whether your current settings align with your target audience. If you need to adjust location targeting, click on Location and edit your specified regions. Consider adding or removing locations based on where your customers are located. Next, check the Demographics option to refine your audience further. You can adjust settings for age, gender, and device preferences. Once you have made your demographic selections, proceed to review your keywords. Assess the performance of your current keywords to identify any underperformers. Remove or pause keywords that are not generating desired results. Add new, relevant keywords that reflect what your audience is searching for. After optimizing keywords, focus on audience targeting. Click on Audiences and explore options such as remarketing lists and in-market audiences. Create custom audiences based on past website visitors or engagement with your brand. Review your bidding strategy to ensure it aligns with your targeting goals. Consider implementing bid adjustments for specific locations, devices, or audiences. Once all adjustments are complete, save your changes. Monitor the performance of your updated targeting strategy regularly. Analyze data to further refine your targeting as necessary. Stay informed about Bing Ads updates that may affect targeting features. Continuously test and optimize your campaigns for the best results. Utilize Bing Ads reporting tools to gather insights on audience interactions. By following these steps, you can effectively improve your Bing Ads targeting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.